Hey, what's up, John? This is Devin. Thanks for speaking with me on the phone earlier today, and thanks for checking out this video. The three things I'm going to talk to you about today are content, backlinks, and citations. And the reason why these things are super important for ranking on Google and getting more customers is because this is what the Google algorithm really looks for as far as ranking websites online. So I want to start off by saying how you have a really nice website. The colors look great. I love the logo. So yeah, it's a really nice website. But what Google really cares most about is that content on your site. So content is anything you can read, so like this, as well as any images you may have. So by looking at your site, you don't have any images and you don't have too much content. So you definitely want to get into that 1500 to 2000 range because it's super important factor for ranking on Google organically. So what I did was I searched up carpet cleaning Sacramento up here, and the top ranking competitor in the area is Carpet Cleaning Sacramento Pro. So we'll take a look at their website and see what kind of content they have as well. So they have some right here to the left. Yeah, so by looking at their site, these guys also do not fall into that 1500 to 2000 word range. So in Google's eyes, you are both not considered authority figures. But if you get yourself to that mark with relevant content to your industry, you're going to pull ahead of them, and it's also going to leave you more room to add keywords, which is really the important part. And a keyword like carpet cleaning Sacramento is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. So, for example, one way you can include this in your content is by saying like, we offer the carpet cleaning Sacramento residents love or have trusted for years. Anything like that, as long as you're fitting it in there naturally and you're not just throwing it in there, because Google will be able to pick up on it if it doesn't sound natural. So my second tip for you today is called backlinks, and a backlink is anywhere that you'll find one website linking to another via a clickable text, or pretty much anywhere another website is linking to yours, driving traffic to it. And the reason why it's so important to have these is because Google is really like a popularity contest, and they want to see other trustworthy and relevant websites kind of vouching for yours. So you're going to get more power with other carpet cleaning and flooring companies linking to you versus a company like Starbucks linking to you, because Google knows you guys don't sell lattes. So this tool I use right here is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. There are plenty of other free ones out there. So here it says you have 4 websites linking to you and 9 backlinks, while your competition over here has 103 websites linking to them and 437 backlinks. So, and really the easiest way to go about acquiring these backlinks is to copy them. Because if these links can rank them, they can also rank you. So going into these backlinks and then going into all these websites and getting them linked back to your site as well is the easiest way to go about acquiring those backlinks. And pretty much those 2 tips, the backlinks and content, is how you're going to take over that #1 spot on Google organically. So the last thing I'm going to talk to you about today is citations and how to show up here in this Google Business or Google Maps section. But before I do that, I know earlier we talked about Google Ads, and this is called the Google Guaranteed section. Google Guaranteed, it takes a little bit longer to show up in here because you have to get verified, and there's a couple steps in that process to show up here. But Google Ads is really the fastest way to go about getting customers. So if you're looking to get customers now, you're looking to just go. Running Google Ads is a great way to go about doing that. So to show up here, it's really important because 30 to 40% of the people who are searching for this particular keyword are going to click on one of these 3 websites. So by being here, it's just gonna help you capture that 30 to 40% of that traffic. So to show up here, you need to have more citations than your competitors. And the citations anywhere that your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as it shows in your Google Business profile in those directories. And directories are places like Yelp and Angie's List and Expertise and all the other ones that you probably heard of. Pretty much just anywhere that you can list your business information. And the reason why it's so important to have have your citations in those directories is because they build up your online presence and allow you to be seen by both people and Google more. So once Google sees you more than it sees your competitors, the more likely it is for Google to rank you above them. So what I would do, and the easiest way to go about doing this, is to figure out what directories these top competitors are in, put yourself in the same ones, put yourself in the same ones, and add more on top of that. Yeah, so this is all I have for you today. I hope this video was helpful and informative. I hope you were able to implement these strategies on your own. And if you have any questions or some feedback, please feel free to reach out. And like I said, I'd be happy to answer any questions you may have or get some of that feedback so I can make sure these videos are actually helping you out. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope this helps. Have a good one. Bye.